Hi Grace.
Hi Bernard.
How are you?
I'm very strong.
So you are part of the Excel Our Girls training program.
Yes, I am.
Okay. How has the training been so far?
The training has been awesome. I've met beautiful teachers. I've met nice classroom. My massive AC, and then the food I won't forget. Yes, always putting us in a nice condition to be able to study. So it has been an awesome experience so far.
Fantastic. So what have you learned?
Okay, so throughout I've learned a lot in Excel. I've learned. We just started Python not long ago, but I think I'm really loving though the challenges are coming. But I love what is being happening so far. So we've learned Power Query, we've learned Power Pivots, we've created pivot tables, we've been able to transfer them into dashboard, and we've already had an exercise on it. It was a bit challenging, but we got things up, and it's been lovely. Yes, having been able to create a dashboard. You see something, a work you have put out there, and like, hey, I was able to do this, and I knew it was because of finance. I wouldn't have been able to do this on my own without being educated. So I really love the program. It's really going great.
Good. So one of the important things of the program is to be able to use the knowledge and then impact your community. Okay. What are you going to do with the knowledge, and what are your expectations after this training?
Okay, thank you. Honestly, I got deep insights into what I actually wanted to do after coming here. I thought of becoming a financial analyst, but I didn't really know what's expected of me. But then after learning Excel, after going into Python, I realized there's a whole lot I have to do. There's a whole lot of education I have to go in for. And starting from this, I know where exactly to go. And I know that this knowledge I've gotten is going to help me because we've been exposed to a lot of data cleaning, a lot of where to get data from, how to handle data. So I know this is a starting point. With the knowledge I have built, I've started from here. I know wherever I'm going to continue from, I know I have a strong foundation I can build up on, and it's going to help me solve some problems in the country, especially which I'm so passionate about, and also help impact others who are also on this path.
Fantastic. So
You didn't give me shout out.
yes, shout out to Grace. Thank you.